Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you've heard of manifesting before. And there's a chance you haven't heard of it. You know, manifesting is that really magical thing that starts in your mind and then it just magically happens. Well, at least that's how manifesting has been perceived for a really long time. You know, we know many different ways to really kick the manifesting into gear. We've heard of journaling. We've heard of vision boards. We've heard of actually executing the action to getting the manifestation done. But what we don't hear about, the really hard parts of manifesting, the ugly parts that some people are afraid to really talk about. And the truth is, it's this thing that no one can tell you how to have it. Now, you're probably wondering, what is this? What are you talking about? Well, what I'm talking about is faith, aka confidence. Confidence and faith that your plan, the thing that you're trying to manifest, is already done. It's already yours. That's what faith is. Knowing that no matter the season, no matter what you can see with your eyes and in your reality, despite what may be going on, that thing is already yours. It's key to have when you're manifesting, because along the way, you may meet a lot of naysayers, a lot of people that can only look at things for what they are and say, hey, well, you are this type of person with this type of job. How do you think you're going to get this done? And those moments can be very discouraging, because sometimes it can sound like, you're right. How am I going to get this done? And the key is to knowing that it's going to get done because I said it's going to get done. Before anything came to be, it started in the mind. Before any business, anything that you own, anything that you use on the daily, before it came to be, it started in the mind. It came to be from manifestation. That's what you have to know and believe about your manifesting, is that things will come to you because you said so and because you are confident in that. You cannot be discouraged, no matter how convincing naysayers may be, no matter how dark your seasons may get. And truthfully, your dark seasons won't be so bad when you are grounded in that faith and in that confidence. Now, more religious people may be very familiar with this thing called faith. And you have to be when you're religious. If you're believing in some type of higher power, a God, the only way you can truly believe in those type of things is if you have faith, because you've never seen them before. You've never seen this God or this deity. You've never seen it before. So you must have faith in just knowing it is real because you feel it. Manifesting is not much different. You are believing in something that you have never seen happen in your life before, or maybe you haven't seen it happen in a while. And you guys will see. You'll be on this journey with me. And I think that it's important to have these conversations because no one's talking about the ugly parts of manifesting. No one is even showing you the ugly parts of manifesting. Now that you got the key, you got the sauce, stir it up and get to manifesting. Know that because you have the power in your mind, you have the power in your life, and you can do anything. Love you.